No, we just went on it. Oh, you want to shoot it? Oh, yeah, if I can. It says 30 minutes.
We get that a lot. Oh, yeah, no, you're right. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. When's his birthday? Mine is birthday. I gotta get my popcorn over there. Where do you live? I'm in Houston. We're from LA. They live in Gardena. Oh, okay. What do you guys live? We live in Washington State. Oh, wow. Okay.
That's what the dog's name was. No, but you're a junior, so people oftentimes sometimes
If you're in the market for a new car, be sure to stop by Monster Motors and see the all-new Becky.
Okay.
All models offer
You already know that, huh?
energy efficient air conditioning and anti-lock springs. So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Becky.
No, Sally ain't quite go on.
To Monsters. But thanks to the watchful eye of the Consumer Protection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The flame, the yellow, the CDA. This is Sullivan Send Boo.
No. That is on the list.
I've been to all of them.
Wow. That's amazing. That's something I hope to get to Disneyland.
You know what? They're really had a hard time with that one.
Thank you.
We're not fake. If we have backpacks, we can walk together. I want to step on it.
You want to go first or me?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Okay.
I'm going to go take our backpacks off this time.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Pooh!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. They grabbed you.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, there's a kid here! Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I got you.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number 1. Eco unit charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I have our paperwork, number 1. Situation is, item.
It ain't working, guys. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got full floor set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. 2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike, Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Please spread out and lock it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation satisfactory. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 call.
Young lady in the second row.
I like your glasses. Want a trade? Excellent. I'll be in your closet tonight. Come back and see me sometime. Arrivederci. Aloha.
That was fun. I need to show you something.
It's very cute.
Plus we went on the other side.
I don't know. Do you remember? That's right. It was.
Perfect, perfect.